That's my passion. And during this 4-day duration, what has happened is that I have counted the number of hours. It was 25 and a half hours that you tolerated this old man. Wait. Introducing variance, 8 variance terminologies.
9 sir, 9.
And on top of that, at least I have scolded 14 times. But please don't take those scoldings in your heart. Take it as a blessing. Remember this, that the teachers will never ever put you in problem. They are there just like your parents, and parents, they may scold you, but they love you a lot. So, I don't know that how much I have given you in these 4 days, because 4 days is really very compact. I understand your problem, because if I would have sat down on the other side, then probably I also would have felt the same thing, to absorb continuously 4 hours. It was almost 4 hours in the forenoon, and it was another 3 hours in the afternoon. It was very, very difficult for you people to listen to one person continuously bak karke ja raha hai. Introducing something which was really some foreign material to you. But nevertheless, I'm so happy that I was dealing with an intelligent mass who could understand the subject. I can guess that, and also I like the way that you were all solving your problems. Seniors, after solving the problem, they were helping the juniors. That's the spirit. That's what the teamwork is. And we all work in a team. Right? And some of you are saying about the something beyond knowledge expression or knowledge sharing. I did something. Yes, that I did as schooling. But that is the first part of the discipline, is that you have to be alert about everything. Confident after you learn some part of it. Try to become confident so that when you face the other side of the table, then your reply, that is what I was trying to tell you, your reply should be confident. And to become confident, you have to do a lot of hard work. Lot of hard work. And there is no substitute for hard work. I tell you, some people work 8 hours a day, officially. Some people work 16 hours a day. So try to convert as much as possible to your working hours. But at the same time, you must enjoy your life. You must take off from your normal course, normal routine. You must take some holidays, must watch some good movies that are inspiring to you. You must have a lot of friends with you. You must make a good network of friends and professors, so that this will carry a lot in your life. I'll tell you, I joined in ISM in 1989 and I retired last year. The network I have amongst the students, I think that is the widest in ISM I have with my students. And it just flooded on the Teachers' Day. The message gets flooded on the Teachers' Day. So now you people are also added in the list, right? Now you people also have got something, partly from IIT ISM Dhanbad and partly from IIT Bombay, right? In you. That element is in you, and that will, in fact, the major chunk that you have from this particular university, you should be proud of it. You are in a central university. Very few people or getting chance in Central University. Some of you have expressed, I appeared for IIT, didn't get through JEE. Doesn't matter. Even me, when I appeared for IIT JEE, I thought that my first choice was electrical engineering. I didn't get. Whatever I got, I continued in its own way. And now I'm so happy to say that I don't mind whether I could not become an electrical engineer, but I'm a proud geologist. Right? And another person from Siu Khera, I'm also from person from, because 35 years रहने के बाद तो वो मूल निवासी हो जाता है एक स्टेट में, from Jharkhand. So Jharkhand has produced very good two persons certainly. One is of course Dhoni, the cricketer. The other is, I'm telling you, some of you may be knowing, may not be knowing, is a great writer, Siu Khera. What he wrote in his book, that is what I want to tell you. Experts don't do different things. They do things differently. I was also doing the same thing as you are doing. Now, if you call me as an expert, I was doing the same thing, but differently. That's all the difference is. So, you do things, you go on doing things, and then only you will know the ways and tricks to how to do it differently. So with all these words, I will be leaving tomorrow morning, but in my heart all of you will be there. Thank you so much.